These are the blades. I got these for my Toro. They seem to be very nice. I haven't put them on yet, but I just wanted to kind of make a video showing them. Now, I sharpened mine, and I sharpened them with a grinder, okay? So they didn't come sharpened. They basically came, I wouldn't say dull, but they didn't come ready to use. I mean, you could use them the way they came, but it's definitely better to have sharper blades. But there's definitely some schools of thought, like where if you sharpen the blade, the quicker it dulls. You know, I would rather just have sharp blades. It just cuts the grass better. They came balanced, which is really nice. And then once I sharpened them, I rebalanced them, and they balanced completely fine. I really don't see an issue with them. They look good. They're lawnmower blades. They're going to be underneath. They're going to be in grass and getting wet and stuff like that. So they're not like the most beautiful things, but they are nice. These are the mulching blades. So just, you know, they came in a pack. They came in this bag here and wrapped up in a box, basically. So they came pretty protected. There you go. Thumbs up.